So I dug this turmeric out of the ground yesterday, and I planted a very small piece in April from the grocery store. I purchased an organic piece and I put it in the soil, and it grew 4.5 feet tall, just keeping it moist throughout the year. It was just spring till winter. And so the benefits of turmeric, so we dug it up, and the benefits of turmeric are it's a very good anti-inflammatory. It's good for your heart and your mind, and it is extremely potent when mixed with black pepper. So it's really good for your health. And look how big they are, and they're beautiful. And you can make a tea out of it. You can add it to soups. You can grind it up and put it on your salad raw. And it promotes youthful, radiant skin and supports natural weight loss, promotes healthy moods, and boosts detoxification. It's good for your muscles and your joints, and it boosts cognitive function, and it's a very good anti-inflammatory. And so get your turmeric in. You can eat it raw is best, in my opinion. You can grate it and put it over salads fresh, and just eat it like a carrot. It's pretty strong, and you can make a tea out of it. Mix it with your other teas like lavender or pine needle or bamboo. Anyway, get your turmeric in. It's really important, and it's really easy to grow. And so like and share and comment, and enjoy your turmeric. Blessings. Peace. Love you.
Flavor, yeah, got that flavor. We got that flavor for your body, yeah, we got that flavor for your soul. Flavor for your dang body, flavor for your soul, flavor for your tongue, yeah. She's got that flavor for your tongue, flavor for your ear, plus flavor for your, hey. We got that flavor for your, hey. We got that flavor for your, go. We got that flavor for your mind, body, and soul. We got that flavor